at the Edgerly Building, where we are turning this back into a school for the Winter Hill Community School. We're continuing our investigations in the Winter Hill Building at Sycamore. It won't be ready for school in September, so we need some place for those students to learn. Grades 1 through 8 plus the AIM program will be here at the Edgerly, which was originally the vocational high school for Somerville, built back in 1935. Since '86, all the vocational programs were up at the high school. This building has served as a swing space. It housed students when the East Somerville School had the fire. It's largely been used for SPS administration in the interim time. So we're turning this back from an office building back into a full school building for that Winter Hill community, and also doing some much needed repairs and upgrades to the building as we do that. This area was all partitioned into small offices for SPS office staff. All of those walls were removed, area remediated, and this has been framed in over the weekend to become classroom space again. We're back at the Winter Hill at Edgerly on what is the last day of summer for students. Students will be in the building tomorrow morning. The past few days have been a frenzy with contractors finishing up the final touches in the building, DPW moving in all the furniture, and teachers getting their rooms set up, like this one we're in right now, all ready to go. Again, in the wing where we did the gut renovation, these were all offices. We've now transformed it into school-based offices and classrooms and conference rooms with all new HVAC equipment, so it'll be nice and comfortable for everyone. In the play area, we've got the paint, the Rainbow Road within this area. We've assembled Adirondack chairs. One of the things that we learned from the brief time that Winter Hill was at Tufts was that they really liked the Adirondack chairs. So my team started assembling them this morning, and they'll be ready for the kids tomorrow. So back in the cafeteria now, we've got all the equipment in place. We're doing some final plumbing. All the electrical upgrades have been done. DPW put down a wonderful shine coat of wax on the floor, and we'll be ready to serve meals to the kids on Wednesday.